Normalization. Okay. Default constraint. The default constraint assigns. What is the purpose of default constraint? The default constraint assign a default value to a column and new value is provided during an insert operation. This helps maintain consistent data and simplifies data entry. What is normalization in database? Normalization is a process of organizing data in database to reduce redundancy, okay, and improve data integrity. This involves during large tables into smaller related tables defining relationship between them to ensure consistency and avoid anomalies. What is denormalization when it is you denormalize? What is a query in SQL? Query is the SQL command used to retrieve, update, and manipulate data in database. The most common types of query are select statement. Okay. What is the difference? Different operators available in SQL: arithmetic operators, comparison, logical, set, spatial. Okay. Union, intersect, except. Spatial are between and like is now. Okay, what is view and SQL? View is a virtual table created by select query. It does not store data itself, but present data from one or more table in structured way. View simplifies. View in SQL is a saved SQL query that acts as virtual table. Unlike regular tables, you do not store data themselves. Instead, they are generate during the SQL query to encapsulate complex join and condition to single objects. We will be using these two SQL tables, for example, create student details table. Okay, create table student details, student ID, name, and address. Insert into student ID, name, address, values, student. Student marks, ID, int primary key, ID, name, marks, age, insert. Create views in SQL. We can create views using create view statement. A view can be created from a single table or multiple table. Create view, create view views name as select column one, column two from table. We have a key term. ओके, तो व्यू करने के लिए ऐसा होता है यूज। Use a virtual to create a select query. It does not store data itself, but present data from one or more structured way. Use simplify complex queries, improve readability, and enhance security by restricting access to specific row or column. Okay. Use name, table name, condition. Here, condition. Select view, create view name as select column 1, column 2 from table name from where condition। तो दो टेबल क्यों बनाई है अपन ने? मार्क्स स्टूडेंट आईडी एंड नेम और मार्क्स लिस्ट। क्रिएट व्यू डिटेल एज सेलेक्ट नेम। व्यू डिटेल व्यू एज। ठीक है। if we now query the view as selection student names, select star from student names। क्रिएट व्यू अपन ने व्यू कर दिया, ठीक है। क्रिएटिंग अ सिंपल व्यू फ्रॉम सिंगल टेबल, ठीक है। पहले व्यू बनाया, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम डिटेल व्यू, नेम और एड्रेस दे दिए, ठीक है। Here we will create a view name student's name from table, select student ID, select student ID name, student ID name। If we now creating a view from multiple tables, marks US select student detail dot name from student detail student marks where from student details and student marks, student details और student marks से, ठीक है। Here student detail dot name equal to student mark। तो जो जो नेम मिल रहे हैं सेम हो रहे हैं, वो मार्क में सेव कर दो। ठीक है, वो तो सारे ही बंदे होंगे। नहीं, वो दोनों टेबल लगते हैं। हर्ष, हर्ष है, प्रतीक है, धनराज है और राम है। हर्ष, प्रतीक, धनराज, नाम आशीष। आशीष नहीं है, इसमें भी आशीष नहीं है। तो a view is a virtual table created via SQL query। Uh, the view is a virtual table created by a select query. It does not store data itself or present data from one or whatever in a structured way. Okay. So basically view अपना एक virtual table है जो कि select query की वजह से बनता है। It does not store data itself but present data from one or more tables in a structured way. Okay, what is the purpose of unique constraint? The unique constraint answered are already using column or combination of column and extreme. This prevents duplicates value and help maintain data integrity. What are the different types of joins in a screen? Inner join returns row that have matching values in both tables. Left join returns all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. Right join return all the rows from the right table and matching rows from the left. A full join return all rows where there is matching. Return all rows when there is match in either table। मतलब returns all rows when there is match in either table। मतलब